Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Microsoft Edge. From here, we want to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click into settings. Now you'll be taken inside Microsoft Edge settings. From here, you've got different tabs under settings. We've got profiles, privacy, search and services. Click onto privacy, search and services. And now here, click on search and connected experiences. From here, on the bottom of the page, address bar and search, manage search suggestions and search engine used in the address bar. So click onto that. And now you'll be taken to this page here, search engine used in the address bar. This is where you can change it. So whatever it's on at the moment, go ahead and click on Google, and then that's gonna change it to from your current search engine to Google. Then from here, just simply go back here, and then it'll say search. If I just type in Google, or type in anything really, just type in test, you can see Google's now the default search engine for Microsoft Edge.